Hi guys, welcome to Forex Guides TV. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on that notification bell and leave a comment down below, guys. I'd really love to hear what you guys have to say about this content which I'm sharing with you. I hope it's helping you out and making you see the markets in a different way, because this is for beginners, intermediate traders and advanced traders, guys, or just anyone who's just curious about the forex market and how people go about analyzing it and things like that, guys. So if you're also new to this channel and you're confused, just go back to my previous channels, my previous videos, guys, and you'll keep updated and keep into touch. You'll also know the kind of style I use when I trade. So yeah, let's get right into it. What I have in front of me, in front of you guys, it's USDZAR on the daily time frame. And previously, guys, remember I was looking for buys all the way to the upside, but guys, the market doesn't always give you what you want. So your job as a trader is just to adapt, analyze and anticipate what the next moves are gonna be. Let me just get rid of this so that we can have a nice chat. So currently, guys, I'm looking for sales. I've been looking for sales. Price has been going down. Now we're currently in a correction, and then I'm looking for sales all the way to the downside here. So let's go down to the lower time frame and see what actually is happening here. Let me just get rid of that. Let's go down to the H4 time frame. Okay, this is beautiful. This is nice. Now, guys, we just have to identify what is this. This is a correction, guys. And if you're familiar with the nature's theory, you'd know and understand what comes after a correction in the market. So let's just identify what is this correction. Okay, let me just change get rid of this circle. Okay, guys, this is what I see is happening. This is what I see happening. This is a ascending type pattern, guys, and you know, mostly ascending patterns are your reversal patterns. And for those of you who are new, like I said, just go back to the previous videos and you know the style of trading I trade and what kind of trader I am. So yes, so right here, guys, I'm actually hoping that price might give us a bigger correction here, because I'm actually looking for a short-term buy till this high. I'm looking for a short-term buy till this high, and then when price reaches this high, this pattern will be complete, and then I'll be looking for those sells to the downside. Let me just use arrows so that it's nice and clear. Remember, guys, the market is not perfect, so that's why it took me some time to upload the video, guys, because I actually would analyze and my setup would take maybe 2 or 3 weeks to play out. But during those times, you know, the market is just doing its own things. So there's basically nothing I can do but just wait and anticipate, guys. Patience is key when it comes to the forex market. Patience is key. So yeah, let's move on to H1 time frame and see if there's something happening here. Okay, guys, as I said, I'll be waiting for this might form into a bigger correction, and then those buys will play out, because, guys, I'm looking at this impulse move, then I'm looking for the correction, and then I'm looking to continue the buys. I'm looking to continue the buys, or let me just change this. I'm looking to continue the buys here until this high. I'm going to continue those buys until that high. This is my short-term move. My short-term move, and then once price gets to those highs, I'll be looking for my long-term sells to the downside. So this is my first scenario, guys. This is my first scenario. Remember, guys, the market is not one-sided, so why should you be one-sided? You just need to understand the market, where it's going, and anticipate those moves so that you can capitalize on them. Capitalize. So like I said, this is my first trading opportunity I'm looking for. Let's look at another one. There is another one I'm also looking at, guys, and in both patterns they are continuation patterns. So the sell is most likely to play out, guys. The sell is most likely to play out. You see, this one already completed. So I'll be looking at this one first before I look at the other one. This one already completed, so I'll be anticipating more sells than that short-term buy, because this one already completed. Again, I say, guys, go with the one that's most likely to play out. And the reason why I'm looking for sells, like I said, is that both patterns are continuation patterns. The bearish continuation patterns. So yeah, guys, that's it for USDZAR. I hope you guys took notes, compared, saw what I see, or if you see something different but the same direction, that's also fine, guys. That's also fine. And if you'd like for me to analyze a pair, like I said in the beginning, just leave a comment down below and I'll do it, guys. I don't have a problem doing it. Because I want you guys to also be successful and trade these markets and withdraw money, guys. Withdraw. Pay yourself. So now we'll be going to AUDCAD. Let's move to the daily time frame. Just identify what is going on. Okay, guys, this is a descending pattern, guys, and like I said, descending patterns are usually reversal patterns. So what I'm looking for is a buy. Price might reverse and just break out here. I'll be looking for that buy. But at the moment, guys, remember I said look for what is currently most likely to happen at that time. So let me just get rid of this and then I'll zoom out and explain something quickly. So this is a descending type pattern, guys, which is a reversal pattern. So the long-term move, I'm looking for buys because of this impulse. Remember the nature's theory, guys. That's long term. That's what I'm looking for. So with that in mind, you just need to keep this at the back of your mind. Long-term move is buys. Why isn't this thing now? Okay, let me just do this. That's it. So like I said, the long-term move that you need to keep at the back of your mind is that we're looking for buys. But now we should look for what is currently happening now. Let's see if we can get a buy opportunity that might give us that long-term buy move here on H4. It doesn't seem like it, guys, because if you know what this pattern is, you know why I'm saying that we're looking for sells. We're looking for sells to trade within the pattern so that it completes, and then we'll be looking for that overall buy move. Yes, on this H4, let me just try and draw it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is a reversal head and shoulders. Reversal head and shoulders, which also confirms that okay, the outer pattern confirmed as well that we're looking for sells, and then the inner pattern as well confirms the same thing, we are looking for sells. Let me just draw this head and shoulders. Let me just draw it, outline it properly so that you can see. Okay, I'd probably say the neckline is somewhere here. Okay, let me use the small this one. Yeah, I'd say the neckline is probably here, and as you can see, price broke out of the neckline, so you can expect a retest and then continuation down, or if it does not happen here, there's also probability that, let me just get rid of this. I hope you guys saw that. You can always rewind and just listen to that part. Let me just get rid of this head and shoulders now. Price might come back here, this previous lows, give us a retest here, and then continue all the way to the downside, guys. Continue all the way to the downside. Let me see if the same thing happened here. It was near the zone. It was near the zone, and went down. Okay, so yeah, guys, I hope you guys see what I see, or understand why I say I'm looking for what I'm looking for. Compare with your notes, and yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click on that notification bell, leave a comment down below. And guys, I cannot stress this enough, if you guys want me to analyze any pattern you want, can be indices, or I don't know, currencies, just drop it down below, guys. I'd love to talk to you guys and communicate with you guys and see how things are going on your side. Well, we're here to learn, we're here to help each other, we're here to grow as traders. You know, there's a lot of money in the market, so we mustn't be selfish. We must just share as much as possible. So yeah, guys, until the next video, thanks for watching up until this far. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys are successful. Have a positive trading week. Next week, Forex Guide. This is Forex Guide TV. Until the next video, bye guys.